How are you doing?
I am doing well, thanks.
What have you been up to?
Not much, just the usual.
How's everything?
Everything's fine, thank you.
What's new?
Nothing special, same old.
How's life?
Life's good, can't complain.
Haven't seen you in a while.
Yeah, it's been too long.
What brings you here?
I'm just passing by.
Are you having a good day?
Yes, so far so good.
Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Is your phone working?
Yeah, it's working fine now.
Did you charge your phone?
No, I forgot to.
Can you send me the link?
Sure, I'll text it to you.
Is the Wi-Fi working?
No, it's been down all morning.
I'm sorry I'm late.
No worries, you're just in time.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome, anytime.
I apologize for the inconvenience.
That's okay, don't worry about it.
Can you forgive me?
Of course, it's all forgotten.
I really appreciate it.
Happy to help.
My bad.
It's fine, no harm done.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure. Sorry to bother you. You're not bothering me at all.
I owe you one.
Don't mention it.
Thanks for understanding.
Of course, I get it.
Can you help me with this app?
Sure, what's the problem? Can you turn up the volume? Sure, is this better?
What are you up to later?
I'm probably going to stay home.
Are you available tomorrow?
Let me check my schedule.
What time is good for you?
Anytime after noon works.
Can we meet earlier?
Sure, how about 10?
Are you still coming?
Yes, I'll be there.
Can you make it on Friday?
Friday should work for me. How much did you pay? About $50.
Is it expensive?
Not really, it's reasonable.
Can you lend me some money?
How much do you need?
When can you pay me back?
I'll pay you next week.
Did you get paid yet?
Yes, it came through yesterday.
Is it worth the price?
Definitely, it's good quality.
Did you save any money?
A little bit this month.
Are you on a budget?
Yeah, I'm trying to save.
Let's catch up soon.
Definitely, let's set a date.
Is it far from here?
No, about 5 minutes on foot.
Is there a bus stop nearby?
Yes, right around the corner.
How far is the hospital?
About 2 kilometers from here.
Where's the nearest pharmacy?
There's one across the street.
Do you know this area well?
Not really, I'm new here too.
Do you have a headache?
Yeah, a little one.
What's the matter?
My car won't start.
Is something wrong?
Yeah, my phone isn't charging.
What's the issue?
The internet keeps disconnecting. Why isn't this working? I'm not sure, let me check.
Can you fix it?
I'll try my best.
How long will it take?
Probably a few hours.
Is there a problem?
Yes, my order never arrived.
Who should I talk to?
You need to speak with the manager.
Can I get a refund?
Yes, with your receipt.
It's not working properly.
Let me exchange it for you.
I've been waiting for an hour.
I apologize for the delay.
Can you hurry this up?
We're working as fast as we can.
I'm not happy with this.
I understand. Let me help you.
Are you allergic to anything?
Yes, I'm allergic to peanuts.
What do you think about it?
I think it's a good choice.
Do you like this idea?
Yeah, it sounds interesting.
What's your take on this?
I'm not really sure yet.
Do you think it'll work?
I hope so, but we'll see.
What would you do?
I'd probably wait a bit longer.
Don't you agree?
Yes, I completely agree.
What's your honest opinion?
Honestly, I'm not impressed.
Would you recommend it?
Yes, I'd highly recommend it.
Could you repeat that?
I said meet me at noon.
What's your date of birth?
June 15th, 1992.
Do you smoke or drink?
No, I don't do either.
What did you do yesterday?
I stayed home and cleaned.
How was your vacation?
It was amazing, very relaxing.
Where did you go last summer?
We went to Spain.
What happened?
I lost my keys somehow.
Did you see that movie?
Yeah, I watched it last week.
How long ago was that?
Maybe 2 or 3 years ago.
When did you move here?
I moved here in 2020.
Have you been there before?
No, that was my first time.
What was it like?
It was better than I expected.
Did you enjoy yourself?
Absolutely, it was fantastic.
How did it go?
It went really well.
What time did you get home?
Around midnight.
Did you remember to call?
Oh no, I completely forgot.
When will you be back?
I'll be back on Monday.
Are you going to the party?
I'm not sure yet.
What time will it start?
It'll start around 7.
Will you be there?
Yes, I wouldn't miss it.
Are you planning to move?
Maybe next year.
What are your plans for summer?
I'm thinking about traveling.
When are you leaving?
Probably early next month.
Will it take long?
No, just an hour or so.
When will we know?
We should know by Friday.
Are you coming with us?
Yes, count me in.
What time do you leave for work?
I leave around 7:30.
What time do you have lunch?
Usually around 1 o'clock.
Do you take a lunch break?
Yes, I get an hour.
What do you do after work?
I usually go for a walk.
Do you cook dinner every night?
Not every night, sometimes I order in.